Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve microphone not working in Skype. So guys, if you are facing problem, so you can resolve this problem easily. Just search settings, open settings. Now here click on privacy, microphone. Now turn on these all settings. Allow apps to access your microphone, turn on it. Here guys you will see Skype, so make it microphone on like this. Also turn on this setting, desktop apps to access your microphone. So just guys you have to turn on microphone for apps and programs. So thanks for watching and please comment on this video useful for you or not.